Hi everybody, welcome to Reality Buzz TV. Welcome. Make sure that you are subscribed and also do like the video. So listen, you guys. One of the things that we found out on season 18, because it was the gift that kept on giving, besides the tears that we were given as a gift from episode 18, besides the tears, we were also given the gift, which was the fact that Umselegu, Numbume, their relationship had a falling off. So they are no longer close. And the reason that they are no longer close is because Umpume went waya kubantu ababonayo. She went and saw Sangoma slash Inyanga. And when she went and saw one of those people, a medium, whoever, but the wise people or the people that are seeing things, okay, she was told something about a family member, and obviously Bumem Selegu, who is Musam Selegu's sister, the only person that she has as a family member is Musam Selegu. And she was told that the reason, whatever that was not going well in her life, was because of that one family member, which I guess she assumed was Musam Selegu. And then that's the results of the falling off of their relationship. Last night, though, you guys, during the episode, he was about to tell us, Umusa, what Umpume said that caused the breakdown of our relationship. And it must have been bad, you guys, because if Sneh felt like it should not be mentioned on TV, because Musam Selek was about to say it, and Sneh was like, don't, and Sneh stopped Umselego. So if Sneh felt like it should not be said on national TV, Usne that has given us siya pretendelana la. If Usne that gave us that things it should not be said on national TV, it must be really bad. Okay. Now, you guys, I was on Facebook and I follow Usilia Mzweneng, my friend, and I was watching her post I was reading her post about the same thing that happened in last night's episode. And she had written, Uguti, it's interesting that Musam Selego is always partnering, but we have never heard Musam Selego mention Ume when he is partnering to Gogo Flow, And I was thinking about it and I was like, yeah, because one thing that has been consistent since season 1 is that Mosam Selego is always going to Phahla, every season Mosam Selego uzo Phahla. Sometimes twice in one season sizombone Phahla, which is strange because most people that think of Phahla as very important will think of that place as a very sacred place. And for somebody to allow cameras to show that umsamo for the family is a little bit weird, because most people will not want you to show umsam to the cameras, but there was even a point where I was like, guys, maybe that's not even a house labe phahla kona for real. Maybe that's a house where they are pretending to phahla, but there's another house labe phahla kona for real, because there is no way that Umselego allows cameras to show us the real place like Phahla khona, because it just wouldn't make sense for them to show us la kuphahla khona ngempela for the family, because that place is supposed to be a sacred place for the family. For them to show us that place, it wouldn't make sense. So at some point I thought, like, for real, they must have another place about Phahla kuyona. There's no way that they're allowing us to see the real place la be Phahla khona. So I thought about it and I was like, yeah, actually Sila is right, because it's strange that even before Umpume got married, almost I would never even mention her when she would go. Ayokhuluma no Flo, Gogo Flo. Here is his name. Here is Mpumelelo. Here is whoever. Here are the wives. Here is this. Gogo Flo. He would never mention Umpume. He would never ask Gogo Flo for anything with regards to Umpume. I don't even remember a Pasha when they were saying Umpume is getting married. I don't remember him doing the thing. Hamba Pasha to say Coco Flo nango kumpume uyashada, Mpume is getting married, hamba naye and all of that. And guys, you know what, there's that thing ukuthi there's that argument online where people are saying, some people are saying, oh, Musamsele possibly utwele. Other people are saying, no, Musamsele agatwele. He's just a hardworking man, and every time a hardworking man, a black man is hardworking and is successful, people are going to say utwele. And you know, guys, there is a thing yokuthwala ngedlozi. You know, we've had our confessions here on YouTube where people are saying, if you watch Black Life TV, you would know there's been some confessions on that channel where people are saying bathwele ngedlozi le family, and they would say ukuthi uma uthwele ngedlozi le family, the person othwele ngedlozi le family, is almost like that person kidnaps idlozi le family. The process of ukuthwala ngedlozi, the one member of the family kidnaps the person kidnaps the ancestors for the family. So he would be the only person in the family that is successful, because the ancestors are supposed to be helping him or her on and only then them. So the ancestors will help that person only in the family, and they will be the only person that are successful. And they are not supposed to help the other members of the family. So everybody else, baba yibotho kwi-family, baba maphara kwi-family, baba ngabe successful, they will not understand why that is happening. And then they will have one family member that is very, very successful, extremely successful at that. And then, but they would also not be allowed to help other family members because they have kidnapped idlozi. So that is a concept yoku kidnapper yokuthwala ngedlozi. So that is the idea yokuthwala ngedlozi. That's what the confessions zase Black Life TV, the people would say that's what happens. Okay, so usually in my confessions, a person will be coming and saying, this is what I did. Now I feel guilty because the family members now are suffering, but I can't help them. But I don't know how to change the situation now, because now the idlozi is helping me. It works for me, but for me only. Now I have money, I have cars, I have houses, but I can't help my family members. If I try to help my family members, my things go bad. You understand what I mean? Yes. Now, if Mpume, this is just me, you guys, the story. If Mpume went to somebody and Wayohlola and they said, this is what has happened, I'm just, this is what has happened. Obviously, she's going to maybe come back and say, this is what Inyanga has said you've done, with idlozi. You understand what I'm saying? Maybe, I'm just saying, I'm not saying this is what happened, because I'm just thinking, what else could be? Because I don't think that somebody will say, uMusamseleki ukuthakathile. Mhlawumbe umuntu would say, inyanga would say, uMusamseleki ukuthakathile. You understand what I mean? Maybe it's a situation like that where they said, the reason you are not as is because. Another thing, you guys, Umpume at some point had a business. Remember, she used to do like facials and massages. Remember, at some point she was even giving Mpumelelo a facial when Mpumelelo used to have really bad like skin and stuff. She used to have a business. I don't know what happened to that business. Kampume at that time, back when the season started. Yabo. So I don't know what happened, but she should actually be doing very well by now because she also made an appearance on on a reality TV show, just like the wives did. So she should also be doing well by now. You understand? Ngiyangithola ukuthi ngiyaphi with the thing, you know. So with Umusamseleko, almost with Ugogo Flow, because ngathi Ugogo Flow is like ukaMusamseleko. It's like, yabo. Is Mpumi allowed naye ukuthi aphahle kuGogo Flow? uGogo Flow ukaMusamseleko, yabo? Because Musamseleko is like Gogo Flow. Gogo Flow, wami Gogo Flow, wami Gogo Flow, yabo. Uvumelekile yini uMpumi ukuthi naye aphahle kuGogo Flow, yabo? So, and you understand what I mean? So it might be, yabo. Kodwa ke guys, we can't ignore the fact that nabantu abahlolayo sometimes bayawakhuluma amanga. Because if you think about it, you guys, if uMpumi engafika kumina, let's say nje mina nginyanga and ngiyawubuka uthando nesithembu, I would know uMpumi, guys. I would know uMpumi. If uMpumi comes to me ngenyanga, I would know uMpumi ukuthi intombazane kaMseleko lena, and I would know ulona uMseleko ukuthi intombazane kaMseleko lena ubhuti wakhe uMusamseleko, and I would know to make up a story that is going to convince her, you know. So how would uMpumi know ukuthi really like ngiyamhlolela for real and the information that I'm giving to her is real? You understand what I'm saying, you know? So maybe she got the information vele yangempela. It's possible. And maybe she got the information that was just made up, because it would be difficult in South Africa for any inyanga or isangoma to not know what this is uMpumi wakamseleko and ubhuti wakhe is uMusamseleko that we watch on 161 Umzansi Magic. And any nyanga can, even a fake nyanga can come up with a story at no man. Ubhuti wakho uthwele ngawe wena, or ubhuti wakho uthwele ngedlozi lakho. That's the reason when you're not successful, because ubhuti wakho uthwele ngedlozi lakini. That's the reason he's the only one successful, because uthwele ngedlozi, idlozi lakini lisebenzela yena kuphela because wathwala ngalo. So when you are never going to be successful because ubhuti wakho wathwala ngedlozi lakini. You understand what I'm saying, you guys? So maybe there is some truth to what she was told by inyanga, even though we don't know, because usine izolo. Yabona usine, ngiyamthanda but ngathi ngamshaya ngempama njena for stopping uMseleko izolo. Uyayidinga impama usine, you know. So maybe there is some truth to what she was told, but let's not run away from possibilities that whatever she was told, maybe the inyanga nayo phela nayo ibifuna ukwenza imali, guys. 400 rand ukuhlola is not, you know. Nami ngeke ngushiye 400 rand lana tam. Yabona. So hey, asazi guys, asazi. But again, we need to know. Let's pray ukuthi before the season is over, uMseleko will get to tell us ukuthi kahle kahle what was the thing that uMpumi said that really, you know, broke down that relationship between him and her. But guys, being that they are the only two in the family that are left, you know, I hope that at some point they are able to rebuild their relationship. Now I understand why Musamseleko had to go and fetch some random Facebook group. Some random Facebook group to come act as his family, because yeah, understand. Now I understand why he went and fetched some random group to come act as his family, because honestly, even Mpumi has abandoned him. But naye ngathi yabona nje uGogo Flow nje ngathi umfake kwi-cage somewhere, like. So sometimes iyasolace ukuthi hey indaba yakhe na. And somebody asked me in the comment section once ukuthi Ntando, is Gogo Flow the only ancestor yakaMseleko? And I was like, I don't know, but there's nobody on earth that only has one ancestor. There's nobody on earth that only has one ancestor. I have my grandmother has passed me. All of my grandmothers, in fact, all of my grandmothers from my father's side, from my mother's side has passed. My great grandmothers and grandfathers have passed too. So like, how would it happen that I only have one ancestor? You know, because I have grandmothers from my mother's side. In fact, from my mother's side, because my grandfather had his temple. So I have two grandmothers from my mother's side and my grandfather from my father's side. Yeah. And then I have from my father's side as well. And then I have grandfathers and then great grandmothers, So how would it happen that somebody has just one grandmother? Like that's it's kuphela lapho. Mawubiza amadlozana just ubiza umuntu oyedwa. Like mawubiza umuntu emsamweni ubuza umuntu oyedwa. Like you call one person. Mawusemsamweni you call one person. That's it. That's not normal, guys. That's not normal. You just call one person. Like nje uma ngifika emsamweni ngibiza ugogo Macele phela lapho. Ugogo Macele is my mother's mother. Phela lapho ugogo Macele phela lapho. Ugogo Macele uzalo bani, my father uzalo bani, that's it. Angibizi umuntu on my father's side, angibizi umuntu ngithi nje ngibiza ugogo uzalo uma ngibiza ugogo uzalo uma uMacele. I don't call my grandfather. I don't. How does that? You only have one. Your mother never had a sister, never had a brother. Your Coco had never had a husband. You just have one ancestor. Upumpume yena akana Facebook page abhali post nje ethile asichazele. Ayihlangani le ndaba leni. Guys, asipakisheni guys, sihambe sekaMseleko. Asipakisheni. Naba nabantu baka Facebook bangenile kaMseleko nathi bazosingenisa. Sambeni. Ipisuitest lami le ipisuitest lami lo membeso. Ipisuitest lami lo membeso ngipakishe. Ipisuitest lami lo membeso ngipakishe. Let's go. One ancestor. Kanjani guys? Anyway, I need to go to groceries. So ngiyabuya ngiyapakisha guys. Let's go. So bona sohlangana guys. Hlangana abasegoli asihlangana eThekwini bese siya. Sobona senze njani. Ama taxi Durban station socela ama taxi sami. Sobona guys, wozani hlangana eThekwini wozani.